Today, we're examining sea holly, a medicinal plant with some remarkable health benefits. Regulates blood sugar and heart health. Sea holly helps balance blood sugar levels and supports heart health. It acts as a natural diuretic, helping prevent kidney stones and maintaining healthy cholesterol levels. Research indicates it may also reduce the risk of heart-related issues. Fights urinary tract issues. Sea holly contains natural compounds that fight bacteria and reduce inflammation. Combined with its diuretic properties, these qualities make it effective for urinary system health. Relieves respiratory discomfort. If you're dealing with respiratory issues, sea holly's expectorant properties can help clear your airways and ease breathing discomfort. Enhances natural vitality. Traditional medicine suggests that sea holly root tea can help boost your natural energy levels. Protects against aging. Sea holly contains beneficial antioxidants that fight free radicals, helping protect your cells and supporting overall wellness. Breaks down body fat. A notable feature of sea holly is its effect on fat metabolism. It helps your body process and eliminate excess fats, making it particularly beneficial for liver health. Cleanses cholesterol deposits. Sea holly's benefits extend throughout your body. Since harmful fats can accumulate in multiple organs, sea holly works systematically to help reduce fat buildup in the liver, brain, gallbladder, veins, and arteries. For optimal results, combine it with a healthy diet rich in fruits and vegetables, plus regular exercise. How to take sea holly. You can find sea holly as capsules, dried herbs, or root preparations. For tea, use dried herb and drink up to 3 cups daily for 2 months. Then take a break for several weeks. And remember, always purchase from reliable suppliers who verify their products. Contraindications. Sea holly isn't suitable for pregnant women, children, or those with sensitive skin. As always, make sure to consult your healthcare provider before use, especially if taking medications. While it's natural, don't use it more than 8 weeks continuously. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Until next time.